Hi, everyone. I'm Kristen Myers, editor-in-chief of ETF.com, here with all the details of the latest inflation report. That's the Consumer Price Index, also known as CPI. So in the month of March, inflation rose 2.4% on an annual basis. Now, that is a slight increase, of course, but it is an actual cooling from what we saw in February, when inflation was 2.8% annually. So this should be pretty good news, right? Inflation coming down. It gives a lot of investors hope that perhaps the Federal Reserve will actually have a little bit of room and space to actually cut interest rates, which would make borrowing and getting money from banks a lot cheaper. But here's the problem. Trump tariffs have not yet appeared into the inflation report or in the U.S. economy, and it is largely expected that these tariffs that we have levied against China and a lot of other nations around the world will actually cause prices to go up for consumers. So what are investors going to be looking for? They're going to want to see where inflation goes over the next couple of months to determine if the Federal Reserve will actually cut rates, hold rates steady where they are right now, or perhaps even worse, raise rates in the future. Right now, markets, despite being given this good news, are not taking it too well as they have concerns over tariffs and the future path for rate cuts. Markets to start the trading session are in the red. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe to ETF.com as we keep you updated not only on tariffs, but inflation and the Federal Reserve.